Hey guys, here we are with Watch Dogs. Everybody knows about this game, like who doesn't? Basically, it's a really good game. I have played through the story before, but I just thought I'd play through it again, take it all in again, and show you guys how it plays. Currently, I'm playing on PC. It does have a little bit of bugs towards the PC version, but it is still extremely good. It does still play extremely well. But yeah, let's get started. Intro. As you can see, the graphics are amazing.
Okay, I'm in the lobby of the Merlot.
All right, let's do it.
Nothing short of Ubisoft.
Look at that. Secrets and lies floating in a cloud of data. I just reach out, pluck it from the sky, and it's mine.
It's ours. Stay focused. You got a nasty security system. How much we got?
100 grand in 30 seconds. God bless the rich and famous. We are the modern day magicians, siphoning bank accounts out of thin air. Can't hear yourself. What was that? Hello. I think someone else is hacking in. Let's take a peek. Let's not.
Stick to the plan, Damien.
Siphon the accounts and get out. Adventure, my boy. Have faith in your mentor. Something triggered that alarm. Let's find it. Shit. It's scanning the system. I'm almost there.
I'm shutting down now.
Don't you touch a thing. What the hell is that?
We need to abort.
We are not done. Help me.
Damien, it's over. I'm disconnected.
Maurice.
Yeah?
You're on. One of our contractors ran a search for the hackers in the Merlot job. You're assigned Aiden Pierce. Take him out. Hit the family if you need to. This guy's hacking days are done.
Hit the family?
Got a problem?
Nope. Husky, I'm good. You'll never hear from him again.
gotta believe me, man. Who gave the order?
Told you.
You don't know.
Hit the family? Not a problem.
Nope. I'll scare him good. You'll never hear from him again.
What do you think, Maurice?
Did you scare me? It was a job, man. I didn't know.
Who was on the other end of the call? Give me a name.
They never gave me a name.
Yeah, I'll tell your name. Lena. Lena Pierce.
I didn't know about any kids, alright? That wasn't supposed to happen.
I want you to think very carefully. Think.
Look, man. Even if I knew a name, you couldn't get me talking. These guys... I heard stories, man, that like nothing you ever seen before. You gotta walk away from this, man.
Some things you can't walk away
Please!
from.
Please!
Who gave the order?
I spoke to them on the phone and they told me where to find you. That's all I know, man. That's all I know.
Give me a name.
I don't know! A name! Kill me, man! Just fucking kill me! Ah!
How's your memory now?
Ah!
Maurice won't talk to me, but I bet he talked to you.
So basically you start here in the stadium where a big baseball game is going on up top. Yeah, this starting screen is a bit intense. Not much happens after though. I suppose this game does start off a little bit slow, but once it picks up, it's definitely worth the play. The whole story kind of just unfolds like a thriller movie, something like that, but you're not told everything from the start. It's one of those games that you need to play through, otherwise you're just not going to find out what's going on.
I can't keep running. I can't do it. That fucking Aiden Pierce. I count his knees. He won't stop chasing me. Where's this guy? What am I gonna do? He keeps coming.
I need to keep moving.
So basically, everybody knows that you can hack absolutely everything, like, example. Shame it's not drinkable. You can't really do anything with it. Just a distraction, really. But here we come up to another cutscene.
Yo, it's shaking, motherfucker. Shit!
Where the hell you been?
What?
He's talking to me.
I leave you for 2 minutes.
Give me my bullets.
I tossed him. What? You said you'd kill him otherwise.
I told you to hold on to them, Jordy. Where you been, anyway?
I had to make a call. And you get what you need from Maurice? Oh, you're kidding me.
Let's clean this mess up. Stop admiring your work.
Hey, that's cute and all, but I'm disappointed, Pierce. I mean, you failed to spot the nasty inter-gang drama I'm creating here.
I don't like loose ends. Let's get him out of here.
No, too late. Bottom of the 8th. Chicago's ahead. Game's almost over. We are out of time. Nice shot. Huh. Come on, you're not just a little interested in my phone call?
All right, fine. Tell me about your phone call.
Glad you asked. Okay, we got a bunch of dead bodies, right? We got 40,000 people above us. We need a distraction. I called the cops.
You did.
Oh, yeah, true story. So, cops arrive, and Maurice's little band of brothers arrive, and pow, 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 pow.
Jordy, tell me you're joking.
No, I called them too. Look, we get a messy altercation at the end of the game. You and I slip away undetected. They'll appreciate the plan tomorrow.
Great. Punctual cops. Now handle these guys. You grab Maurice, get him out of here.
Maurice, what do I look like, a chauffeur?
He's the shooter. I'm not through with him yet.
Dick.
Chicago Police! If there's anybody in here, identify yourselves.
So we're starting off here. Basically, we get to see all of the elements of the sneaking. So it's bringing in Assassin's Creed, basically, that type of sneaking. A bit of Splinter Cell when you think about it. I love the movement. The cover element is amazing. Just from move to move, it's just amazing. Cover to cover. I love everything about this game.
Outstanding 15-7 record last season. We're watching an epic confrontation between two old rivals here today, and this game couldn't be any closer. Big Base Steel is on this team with 27 steals this series, but Sonova's watching them like a hawk. That's a pitch and a hit, and it looks like, yeah, that's a foul ball. Roger's not falling for that one. Both men, of course, experts at the mind game. 2 on, 2 out, folks. Something's gonna give soon, and it could go either way. Sonova pitches, that's a big hit!
So here we are. This is the camera jumping. That is one of the biggest things about the game. Camera jumping is probably one of the key elements, because hacking and stealing everything from everyone else is like the way to go for this. But other than that, I didn't find it too amazing. It kind of got a bit boring, but everything kind of picked up towards the end, so it kind of helped a lot.
He's not moving unless I give him a reason.
So there is a range of crafting little gadgets. Most of them are basically just distractions, but then you can get a lot like blackouts to black out the whole entire city, or a section of the city that you're in, and yeah, they're good fun, but I didn't really like many of the other gadgets through the game. I didn't really use the law, which I just used just then, but it was alright.
Hey you, sir.
This is
you, come here.
bullshit, man. You ain't got no problem, cuz.
We're just talking.
Look, I got my tickets right here.
No, keep your hands where I
So the
can see.
profiler,
Jay didn't do nothing wrong.
Get back now.
that's one of the funnest parts of the game. Just seeing about everybody's backgrounds. It really brings the city to life when you think about it.
Yeah? Hey, yo, Didi, calm down, alright? Don't give him nothing making use.
So, just thought I'd say thank you guys for watching this. I'd like to know how you found my channel. If you have any questions, just ask. If you like this video, just give me a like, or if you want to see more, just subscribe, and I'll be sure to be posting these lots for you.
Right now, I need to get out of the stadium. Can you find me the nearest access point?
In the next room. Well, you'll need to find someone with security clearance.
Security guard should have access. All these cops are scouting.
Hey, you Alan? Yeah, I am. You got an evacuation plan, right? Of course we do. Good, we need to get moving on it.
We're not gonna evacuate 40,000 people so we can play cowboys and Indians. But you got an isolated incident in the basement, we can close the basement. I got no problem with that.
This whole place is about to fill up with Chicago PD. That's gonna cause a panic. We need to shut the game down and get people out of here safely.
So here we get to see what the blackout actually does. It's pretty neat, isn't it? So yeah, if you have any questions, be sure to leave me some. If you have any suggestions for games, just let me know. I'll try and get on it. Anything else that you'd like to know about me, about the games that I've been playing, about what you'd like to see in my channel, just make sure to let me know, and I'll try my hardest to get what you ask for.
Where are you, Jordy?
What? Gone. I'm allergic to cops, so's Maurice, but don't worry, I left you a present. Friend of a friend deals in pre-owned cars. Got a real beauty waiting for you in the garage across the street. Take it or leave it, I don't care.
I just saw a bunch of cops
Gotta
fly
go.
by out there. At a playoff game? That's terrible.
That's a lot of sirens for a black man. Shit, something ain't right. We should stay put.
Listen to that.
That's all the power coming back on. Now the driving in this game, it took a lot to get used to. Everybody was expecting it to be kind of like Grand Theft Auto driving, but it's a lot different. It's a bit slidey when you first start driving, but you kind of get used to it. I love the element of being able to change view, because this is how I like driving, because I'm a driving game person, and I just feel that this is more realistic than some. The city is apparently an exact replica of Chicago. I wouldn't know because I'm Australian. I've never been to America. I've never seen Chicago, so I'm not really sure what it is. But yeah, apparently it's an exact replica, and that's pretty impressive. But yeah, having the big, wide environment to play around in, that really made the game more fun.
Guilt is eating him up. I'll give him a couple of days. I bet I'll start reaching out.
So if you have any questions, just be sure to leave a note. Be sure to ask them. Answer them. That was stupid. If you'd like to see more of this, just leave a like. I'll be sure to leave some more videos here for you. I'm not really sure if I'll post every day. I'm kind of hoping I will. But yeah, I'll do the best I can with that.
I found them in your closet. In your closet, and I told you to.
So this game is compatible with PC, PlayStation 3, PlayStation 4, Xbox, and Xbox One. I'm playing this on PC. You can currently get it on Steam for about $70. It's worth it, but I wouldn't recommend getting any deluxe editions or anything like that, because I felt that it finished on a good finish, and I don't think any more gameplay would have given it any justice.
These guys, I heard stories, man, that like nothing I've ever seen before. You gotta walk away from this, man.
Why are you sitting here? He's coming, right? Not like last time. Jackson, I did invite him. It's been so long. Are you sure you called the right number? Honey, your uncle's a different kind of person. It doesn't mean he doesn't love us.
You shut up.
I trust our info in finding Maurice was correct. We gained access to the CTOS backdoor while the police were being distracted by you. Since we both win in this, we'll share what we have. That backdoor allows you some access to the CTOS network. I'm still working on something bigger. Give me time.
Okay. Here you get a big variety of hacks. But then sooner on you get aim assisting and all of that type of stuff, enhancing your weapons, enhancing your vehicles, and it's kind of a great mixture of things. See, combat, driving, crafting. Crafting is probably one of my favorite, so you can get blackouts and the scanners. But yeah, I think I'll leave it there, and if you like this video, please leave a like. If you want to see more, please subscribe, and I'll see you on the next one. See you later.